out the camera and tear off the lens protective film. Be cautious to avoid the lens wheel. Search and download the Tracer 360 camera app from App Store such as Google Play and Apple Store. Allow Tracer 360 camera to get GPS, picture, and other access to the phone. Press and hold the power button until it beeps and the indicator light turns blue. The camera is powered on. Log in Tracer 360 camera app. Click the red shooting icon on the home page and click Connect to make a connection. Select Wi-Fi starting with Tracer in the Wi-Fi list. Enter the default password 12345678. Allow the access to map, picture, and other information. The main interface of Tracer 360 camera app shows it is connected. There is an initialization process for the first time to connect. Do not log out. The initialization process will complete in seconds. Photographer walks into room at the position point, expanding tripod to the appropriate height. Take the quick plug in from the accessories bag. Screw it on the 1/4-threaded interface at the top of the tripod. Hold the camera and align the arrow direction at the bottom of the camera with quick plug-in and connect them. Press and hold the power button until the camera is powered on. Log in Tracer 360 camera app and connect camera for Wi-Fi. Click the red shooting icon on the main interface while the shooting mode starts. Meter on the first aperture and shoot on the second aperture. Meanwhile, the photographer can stand and follow the camera rotation, or stand aside to avoid showing up in the camera during shooting. When it beeps, the shot is taken. After shooting, click the album icon at the lower left corner, enter album file, and click the target picture to make the automatic picture stitching. The stitched panorama will be automatically saved in Tracer album file.